Hello, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So today I will be making zobo, and these are what I'll be using: some zobo, some pineapple peel, lemongrass, ginger, clove, cardamom, and tiara for sweetener. I'll start by blending my ginger and the other spices. Then I'll wash my zobo. I'll add the blended ginger, clove, and cardamom. I went ahead to rinse my pineapple peel. I added it to the zobo. So a quick tip here: if you are trying to rinse anything, just try to make sure that you pick the thing out of the water. Don't throw out the water before picking your maybe vegetable, or in this case pineapple peel. First, pour the water, rinse it, and pour more water and pick out whatever you are rinsing out of the water. It will help you to leave the sand particles back in the water, instead of pouring out the water first and leaving the pineapple peel in the bowl. So I went ahead to add my lemongrass, and I added some more water, and I covered my zobo and allowed it to come to a boil. So I'll proceed to blend my pineapple, because we are using the pineapple juice. So I'll first sieve it in this filter before passing it through a smaller sieve. Why I do this is because I notice when I first filter out the pineapple peel, the lemongrass, and whatever, it is less overwhelming. So the second time I'm filtering it is just to make sure I get rid of the fine zobo particles, maybe the ginger particles and whatnot. So I'm doing same for the pineapple juice. Then after sieving both separately, I proceed to mix them, add my tiara powder. So after all is done, I tasted it. It was okay, and I packed it in some containers and refrigerated it. Kindly comment and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.